Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your screen timeout to infinite using app called Caffeine on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. If we go to our settings and find display and scroll down to check the screen timeout setting, the maximum timeout is 10 minutes. To change that to infinite, we'll need to download the app from the Google Play Store. Like that, we open our Google Play Store and search for an app called Caffeine. It's this app. We press install. Click on the open when the download is ready, then don't show again, and go to timeout. From here you can change to whatever timeout in minutes or even hour you want, or just keep it infinite like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.